Bonjour à tous, comment ça va? How are you doing? I'm doing very fine. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. So today's video I'm bringing you right from everywhere, guys. Today has been a busy day for me, so I'm just showing you how my day has been. So if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and also tap the post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, that's me at the salon, progressing so well. And now you can see the end results. It's so beautiful. The hair looks so shiny, so beautiful, so neat. Name them, guys. So beautiful. And now, guys, I'm back to the house and I started another activity. As you can see, I'm trying to prepare pancakes. Yes, because it's still morning, so I decided to prepare pancakes for the breakfast come lunch, guys, and that's the process, as you can see. And your girl is really enjoying her off day and also enjoying the cooking in the kitchen. I'm so happy. I don't know what made me happy today, but I've just been easy and happy. Name them, guys. So let's cook. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna take you through the process of making the pancake. I'm just showing you how I'm going to prepare the way I know on my end. So first of all, I make sure that I kukoroga inaitwaje kwa kimombo? If you know, comment down below. So nakoroga mwanzo, and then after that I put the pan in the heat, and then I put the oil. After putting the oil, I just continue, or I just progress with making the pancakes, and that's the end of it. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and enjoy the video.
At night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know know I'm gon' feed 'em. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Feels like a magnet.
On making the pancakes, and as you can see, that's the end results of it. And the pancakes look so yummy, guys. They look so yummy and they smell so delicious. So guys, come enjoy with me the pancake. Okay, yeah guys, so yeah.
Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter.
I prepared dinner, and as you can see, it's french fries plus fried chicken. As you can see, the crispy chicken. And yeah guys, it was so yummy, delicious, mouth-watering delicacy, name them guys. So thank you so very much guys for staying here and watching the entire video. I do not take it for granted. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click that subscription button, like, comment and share to your family and friends. Let me see you. Ciao ciao.